हेलो बच्चों, आज हम मॉडल्स फंक्शन पे बेस्ड क्वेश्चन करेंगे, एक क्वेश्चन, और बाकी अदर क्वेश्चन करेंगे क्वाड्रेटिक एक्सप्रेशंस के बेस पे। तो इसमें मैंने आपको बताया ही था कि मॉडल्स फंक्शन क्या होता है। मॉडल्स ऑफ एक्स की डेफिनेशन में रिवाइज करा दूँ। मॉड ऑफ एक्स इक्वल्स टू प्लस एक्स फॉर एक्स greater than equals to 0, minus x for x less than 0. Clear? So there is one problem, that is mod of x plus 1 upon x less than 4. हमें इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करना है। तो इसको हम कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? इसमें हमें दो केस बना के चलना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज इन द केस ऑफ मॉड एक्स देर आर टू केसेस। कंडीशन इज एक्स ग्रेटर देन इक्वल्स टू 0, फॉर अनदर केस कंडीशन इज एक्स लेस देन 0. सो केस 1, एक्स प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स greater than equals to 0. This will become x square plus 1 upon x greater than equals to 0. Here we see x square plus 1 is always positive. Hence x should be greater than 0. It is the condition. Clear? Now simplification of this inequality question will be x plus 1 upon x less than 4. So this is x square plus 1 less than 4x, means x square minus 4x plus 1 less than 0. It can be solved as to be alpha comma beta. In this case will be 4 plus minus under root of 16 minus 4 upon 2, means 4 plus minus under root 12 upon 2. Clear? Divide, we will have 2 plus minus under root 3, means this question will be converted to x minus 2 plus root 3 into x minus 2 minus root 3 less than 0. So x will be in between 2 minus root 3 comma 2 plus root 3. Check by condition. Is it okay? Yeah, it is okay. So it is its first case. Now come to case number 2. Case number 2 will be case number 2 is x plus 1 upon x less than 0. So this will be x square plus 1 upon x less than 0. X square plus 1 is positive, hence x should be less than 0. And the question will be simplified as x plus 1 upon x less than 4. So x square plus 1 minus 4x x square plus 1 minus 4x less than 0. X less than 0, hence x square minus 4x plus 1 should be greater than 0. Clear? So again, alpha comma beta will be equals to 2 plus minus root 3. So this can be solved, and final solution is S1 S2. Final solution will be S1 union S2. This is the final answer of this problem. Now, for quadratic expression, I already told you number of cases. How many cases were there? There were 6 cases. Clear? Now question is, find A for which 3x square plus ax plus 3 is greater than 0 for all x रियल. इसमें ये कह रहा है कि क्वाड्रेटिक एक्सप्रेशन हमेशा पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए फॉर ऑल एक्स रियल. तो हमेशा पॉजिटिव आपके 6 केस होते हैं. 6 केस में सिंपल एक केस ये होता है, ये हमेशा पॉजिटिव का होता है, और एक केस होता है आपका ऐसा, ये नेगेटिव का. तो हमेशा पॉजिटिव वाले केस में क्या होता है, ए पॉजिटिव डी नेगेटिव. हमेशा नेगेटिव केस में क्या होता है, ए नेगेटिव एंड डी नेगेटिव. क्लियर? सो let me tell you that this is a case belonging to this particular problem. Clear? This is okay because A is equals to 3, B is A, sorry, A equals to 3, B equals to A, and C equals to 3. A is already positive, so discriminant D should be less than 0. A square minus 36 is its discriminant. So this is A plus 6 into A minus 6 less than 0. So A will be minus 6 to 6. A will come out to be minus 6 to plus 6. Clear? So this is your answer. Is it clear? Because for all positive, this one is A should be greater than 0 and D should be less than 0. So this case is not this one. Now come to another problem. Problem is that find A for which ax square plus x minus 1 is less than 0 for all x रियल। इसमें हम देखते हैं कि क्या ये पूछ रहा है, एक्सप्रेशन शुड बी नेगेटिव फॉर ऑल एक्स रियल। अगेन आई टोल्ड यू दैट फॉर नेगेटिव ऑलवेज नेगेटिव, दिस विल बी द केस a negative and d negative. So from here a should be less than 0 and discriminant d is b square minus 4ac should also be less than 0. So 4a should be less than minus 1, means a should be less than minus 1 by 4. So a is less than 0, means on number line minus 1 by 4 minus infinity plus infinity, this is the case. So the value of a will be minus infinity comma minus 1 by 4. This is the solution of this problem. Clear? I think all the conditions are clear. A negative, D negative, for always negative, for expression, quadratic expression always negative. This one is the case. Now come to another problem. Problem is find all values of m for which 2m minus 3 x square plus 2mx plus 4 is less than 0 for all x real. Always negative. It means this one is a case. A negative and discriminant D less than 0, because in the earlier problem the conditions were same as these are. तो यहाँ पे 2m minus 3 क्या आएगा, less than 0, implies that m less than 3 by 2 and discriminant D less than 0 will be b square minus 4 into 4 2m minus 3 less than 0. 1 4 getting cancelled, m square minus 8m plus 12 less than 0. So this can be written as m minus 4 square this can be written as m minus 6 m minus 2 less than 0. Clear? So m will be in between 2 and 6. But we have these two conditions. Take their common. So common will be between 2, 6, this one, and 3 by 2. So in this case, we are saying that there is no solution. No solution to this problem. Thank you.